Hello, ambitious professionals, and welcome back to ProEdge Strategies. Today's topic is one that resonates with every career enthusiast out there: mastering the art of change, strategies for professional growth. We'll explore actionable insights to help you not just adapt, but truly thrive in this dynamic professional landscape, achieving mindset mastery for success. Our minds are fertile ground, and the seeds we sow within them determine the harvest of our lives. Forget fickle fate or external forces. The true game changer for both career and personal growth lies in the cultivation of a mindset brimming with positivity, self-improvement, and the unwavering belief in achieving our greatest potential. This journey isn't just about painting rose-tinted glasses onto reality, it's about cultivating a mental garden where challenges bloom into opportunities, obstacles become stepping stones, and failures transform into invaluable lessons. We'll delve into the potent power of the growth mindset, where static limitations morph into boundless possibilities. We'll unlock the transformative magic of positive self-talk, where self-criticism gives way to affirmations that empower and inspire. We'll craft clear, attainable goals fueled by the vibrant flame of visualization, and learn to navigate setbacks with resilience, each hurdle conquered becoming a testament to our unwavering spirit. But this journey isn't a solitary trek. We'll explore the importance of fostering a network of uplifting companions whose positivity becomes a shared fertilizer for our ambitions. So, are you ready to step into the vibrant world of an achievement mindset? Let's shed the limiting weeds of doubt and blossom into the best versions of ourselves together. These strategies are not just theories. They are practical, actionable steps that successful individuals have consistently applied to reach the pinnacle of their careers. So, let's jump right in. Strategy 1. Define clear and achievable goals. One of the first steps towards success is defining clear, specific, and achievable goals. Your goals should be like a roadmap, guiding you through the twists and turns of your professional journey. By breaking down larger objectives into smaller, manageable tasks, you create a path that is not only clear but also motivating as you achieve milestones along the way. Strategy 2. Continuous learning and skill development. In the ever-evolving professional landscape, the ability to adapt and grow is paramount. Make continuous learning a habit. Stay ahead by acquiring new skills, attending workshops, and pursuing relevant certifications. Remember, knowledge is power, and a commitment to lifelong learning will set you apart in your field. Strategy 3. Embrace a positive and resilient mindset. Success often hinges on your mindset. Cultivate a positive outlook and resilience in the face of challenges. Understand that setbacks are not failures but opportunities to learn and grow. A positive mindset not only helps you navigate obstacles but also influences those around you, creating a conducive environment for success. Strategy 4. Cultivate effective time management. Time is a finite resource, and how you manage it can significantly impact your success. Prioritize tasks, set deadlines, and avoid procrastination. Effective time management not only boosts productivity but also ensures you can dedicate ample time to strategic thinking and innovation. Strategy 5. Build and leverage a strong professional network. Your network is a powerful asset. Build genuine relationships with colleagues, mentors, and industry professionals. Networking provides opportunities for collaboration, mentorship, and access to valuable insights. Remember, your network is not just about who you know but also about who knows you. Strategy 6. Adaptability and resilience in the face of change. The ability to adapt to change is a hallmark of successful professionals. Embrace change as an opportunity for growth rather than a hindrance. Those who can navigate uncertainty with adaptability and resilience often find themselves at the forefront of innovation and advancement. Incorporate these strategies into your daily routine and watch how they propel you to new heights in your professional journey. Remember, success is not a destination but a continuous journey of growth, learning, and achievement. Stay focused, stay driven, and success will undoubtedly follow.